Welcome to Raz classes. Those who are watching our videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Today we will discuss about leap year. If one will ask you what is leap year, you will answer that if the year is divisible by 4, it is a leap year. But actually it is not correct because there are some years are there which are divisible by 4 but are not leap years. Clear? The years like 1700, 1800, 1900, 2100, 2200, these are some years, and other years are there which are divisible by 4 but are not leap years. Then what is the actual formula to find a year is leap year or not? We'll see one C program. One C program, you just see. I'm just sharing. I have used here code block ID to write my C program. My program is write a program to check whether the entered year is leap year or not. I've taken integer main, integer year. This is my variable. To input one year, there is scanf %LD ampersand year. Clear? So through scanf, I'm inputting year. After this, just see, this is the actual condition to find a year is leap year or not. This is the actual condition. What is this condition? If year modular division by 4 equal to 0. That means if year is completely divisible by 4 and year modular division by 100 not equal to 0. That means if the year is completely divisible by 4, it should not be divisible by 100. Clear? Clear? This is one condition. Or if the year is modular division by 400 equal to 0, then it is a leap year. Clear? This is one condition. If it is divisible by 4, it should not be divisible by 100. This is one condition. Or if year is divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. Clear? Else, if this condition is false, it will go to the else part. So it will print what? The year is not a leap year. All of you clear? Now, just see, I'm running this program. First compile, there is no error. Clear? Then go for run. Suppose I'm inputting 2000. We know 2000 is a leap year. Just see. (2000) modular division by 4 equal to 0. This condition is true. 2000 modular division by 4 equal to 0. Yes, this condition is true. And year modular division by 100 not equal to 0. But year 2000 modular division by 100 equal to 0. So this condition is false. So this part become false because this is true and this is logical and double ampersand symbol. This is logical and. So this is true, this is false. So this part become false. Clear? Then come to this part, second part. If year modular division by 400 equal to 0. You can see 2000 modular division by 400 equal to 0. Yes, this part is true. So this is OR condition. This is false, but this is true. So total become true. So it will execute if block statement. If block statement. So it will print %LD is a leap year. %LD is a leap year. That means 2000 is a leap year. Just see the output, whether it is printing that or not. Yes, 2000 is a leap year. Clear? Now, I'm running this program second time. Just see. Enter a year. I've already told that there are some years like 1700, 1800, 1900, 2100, 2200. These years are not leap years, but these are divisible by 4. Clear? Now I am giving any one year among these years. Just see, I am giving 1800. So now see the condition, 1800 modular division by 4 equal to 0. Yes, it is equal to 0. But year modular division by 100 not equal to 0. Now see, 1800 modular division by 100 equal to 0. So this condition become false. So this part become false. Because this is true, this is false. So this is and logical AND operator. So this part will be false. Now come to second part. Year modular division by 400 equal to 0. But 1800 modular division by 400 is not equal to 0. You can see it is not divisible by what? 400. So this part also become false. This part false, this part false. So total condition is false. So it will go to what? Else part. So in else part, it will print what? Percentile D is not a leap year. Just see the output. 1800 is not a leap year. Now come to else part. In else part there is what? Percentile D is not a leap year. You can see. Clear? This is the actual condition to find what? A year is leap year or not. All of it clear? Understood? Today we'll stop here, and in next video we'll discuss more examples. We'll see more examples in C. Thank you.